Namaskar, this is Dr. Malay Pathak. Today we'll be talking about the Rashi Capricorn pertaining to the year 2021. The placement of different planets largely is extremely good. The Saturn, the Lagnadhipati, is sitting in the Lagna itself with Jupiter and causing a wonderful yoga called Viparit Raj Yoga. The slow moving planets like Rahu and Ketu, they are occupying the area of 5th house and 11th house, and they are going to remain in this Rashi for more than 1 year time. Jupiter, although is a slow-moving planet and stay in Rashi for over 1 year time, but this Jupiter will be in Makar Rashi till 6th of April, and after that it is going to have a changeover to Aquarius. After that it will again go retrograde and it will be coming back to Capricorn, that is on 14th of September. We have kept in mind about the position of the other rather fast moving planets like Sun, then your Mars, then Mercury and Venus. That we have also kept in mind. In the 11th house, it is basically the Ketu and Venus combination is there. In the 12th house, it is again that Sun and Mercury is positioned there. Chandrama will be positioned in the 7th house in its own Rashi, and in the 4th house it will be Mars. अपने राशि पे बैठे हुए हैं. So this Rashi's people are going to do very well. Almost during the entire year, because in the Lagna there is a wonderful yoga of this Saturn and Jupiter together, conjunct together. This has caused one type of Viparit Raj Yoga, and which is going to have its own influence. Raja khud gaddi pe बैठे हुए हैं. So this is going to be eventually very good year, no doubt about that. In the 7th house there is Moon posited, and that is basically giving strength to the position of Jupiter in the Lagna. That is very important. Rahu is exalted in the 5th house. This Rahu is going to give a very good result throughout the year. By and large, अगर देखी जाए तो the positions of by all the planets are largely extremely good, because this Jupiter is going to give benefit either in the Lagna or in the 2nd house due to the Bhava strength. Because in both the house Jupiter is good, although it is debilitated, but as it is with Saturn, it is going not to have bad effect, rather it is going to give a positive impact to that, because Saturn is extremely powerful. When this Saturn will be coming to the 2nd house in the Capricorn to Aquarius, this is also going to be even further better. कुछ चीज को लेके अगर आपको कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत है, that is because of the occupation of Mars and Rahu together in 4th and 5th house. So as this Mars is a comparatively a fast moving planet having occupation for 45 days by and large in a Rashi, and therefore as and when it is going to be in a negative bhav, that time it can have some impact, but those are all manageable. When we talk in terms of the entire year, we largely strength upon the planets were basically slow moving planets and how they are going to have a long lasting effect to the native. ऐसी स्थिति में आई विल बी रिकमेंडिंग फ्यू लिटिल remedies which are extremely benefit because as Saturn is in a well positioned, तो ऐसी स्थिति में अगर 11 मूली जो कि इसी की समय में बड़ी कम पैसे में मिल जाया करता है, 11 मूली अपनी रात को अपनी बिस्तर के आसपास किसी भी सामान के ऊपर रख के दूसरे दिन सवेरे स्नान करके मंदिर में निरंतर 43 डेज तक देते रहे तो आपकी केतु जो है बहुत अच्छे फल देंगे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पोजीशन ऑफ सैटर्न एंड दैट इज गुड। तो ये उपाय जो है आपके राहु केतु का जो भी मैलेफिक इफेक्ट है उसको दूर कर देंगे, ये एक सबसे बड़ी बात है। दूसरे एक उपाय और करें कि 400 ग्राम रेवड़ी जल में प्रवाहित कर दे, क्योंकि आपकी 1st of January in the sunrise time there is Mars posited in the 4th house and which can cause some negative impact to the native। जमीन जायदाद के मामले में, जमीन खरीदारी के मामले में, मकान बनाने के मामले में, मकान पे गृह प्रवेश करने के मामले में ये साल ऐसी जातक के लिए बहुत अच्छे है। पढ़ाई के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं, विदेश में पढ़ाई करने के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं और विदेश में जाके नौकरी प्राप्त करने की सुनहरी अवसर मिलेंगे बिकॉज देयर इज ए ब्यूटीफुल कम्बिनेशन ऑफ द 9th हाउस लॉर्ड 8th हाउस लॉर्ड इन द 12th हाउस। ये भी एक विपरीत राजयोग बना हुआ है। तो all such put together, it is going to have a long lasting positive effect to the native throughout the year। So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, these are the only 2 remedies those we have recommended for the year। एक काम आप जरूर कर सकते हैं, वो ऐसा है कि शनि महाराज के मंदिर में शनिवार को जाएं, वहाँ जाके आप लोग उनको तिलाभिषेक करें, वो बहुत अच्छी है। आप शिव जी को शनिवार के दिन शाम को सरसों की तेल या तिल की तेल देके उनको आप अर्पण करें। ये छोटी छोटी सी कुछ उपाय करें, इससे आपको बहुत अच्छे फायदा मिलेंगे। अपनी माता जी को जो है उनको बहुत सम्मान करें, उनकी देखभाल करें, उनके लिए उनकी जो इच्छा की वस्तु जो है उनको दें और उनकी जितनी आशीष आप लाभ करेंगे उतना ही आपको अच्छे फल मिलते चले जाएंगे। बट एज ए होल आई कैन से दिस ईयर इज गोइंग टू बी एन एक्सट्रीमली गुड ईयर and this is going to give a tremendous benefit to the people who have born in Capricorn Rasi, and for the year 2021 is going to be extremely good। So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I request you all who have joined us recently to subscribe the channel, to forward to your friends so that they can also know more about this channel and how we make astrology in so simplest form with the remedies। Go to our Instagram and Facebook channel and you can also put your comment there, and whosoever is subscribing our channel, they can send their birth details and we are going to give one beautiful yearly remedy, and that is going to benefit you so much। Thank you so much for your presence। Namaskar।